In this video, we will show the best chainsaw machines in India 2020. At number 1, Stihl cast iron chainsaw. Features. Our review. At number 2, iBELL gasoline chainsaw. Features. Our review. At number 3, Inditrust heavy fuel chainsaw. Features. Our review. At number 4, CARIGAR 5-star gasoline chainsaw. Features. Our review. At number 5, iBELL EC16-18 Electric Chainsaw. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.